Guys, why do I have a gun that is a... Nah, I'm just joking. I made this. Yeah, I'm wake up now. It was all a dream the whole time. It was a long dream. Is that a fever dream? Wait, my friend chat. My friend chatted. My friend chatted. Yo, bro, let's play Roblox. I'm actually back. Yes! I don't have Roblox in my iPad, but that's okay. Oh my god, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm actually done recording. So bye. The end of the Fever Dream movie. If you guys want more, then like or view my thing, because I'm still gonna do another one right now. But this is the good ending. The twist. But this is the bad ending. The twist is I cannot get to levels like background levels. But there's enough. But also, thank you for this lights. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna use this light. It turns enough, but the twist is the light is on, and they are here with the lights on. How does that even make sense? Hold on, let me just wait until it's 50%. My phone is 37% right now. It's just charging right now. It's charging right now. Yeah. Bye, bro. That's a good movie. It's not the end, bro. It's not the end. I'm just joking about that. If you want more, yeah. Oh, my friend chatted again. 600%. What? My friend chatted. He sent a picture of my vids that I'm doing right now. What the? Picture of pork. Oh, it's a video. But the twist